The restaurant beside Toast, called Emanuel's Kitchen. Yes, there's a restaurant beside Toast. Like everybody's talking about the new restaurant Toast this and Toast that. Hey, if it's good, it's good. But no one's talking about Emanuel's Kitchen. So let's go ahead and check it out. Because I hear that this Emanuel's Kitchen is so good. I mean, alright. So you step in, there's this nice bar, giving you this rustic feel. There's an open kitchen. But before we go into the details, let's find out how we get to this restaurant. It's on Wards Avenue. You're going to take a left turn, and it's right beside Toast. There's a lot of parking space in the parking lot, and right there, that's the green building, that's Toast. So this is the front of the restaurant. This is how it looks, and we're not going over Toast, we're going right to Emanuel's Kitchen. So there are two entrances. One leads to the bar. So if you just want to go ahead and get a drink and chill at the bar, well, there it is. And there's an open kitchen, so you can see how your food is being prepared. I like that. The bar is fully stocked. They have a wide variety of alcohol, and the bathroom clean, and the bathroom look new, like recently renovated. I love this. And at the front you can take pictures, and this is the other side where you can walk and choose a table to sit, the open patio, so you can dine in an open area, which I love the whole open area right now. Here is their menu. They have a wide selection. The menu kind of a little bit old. They need a new menu. It was like worn out. And here is our waiter. Our waiter was so nice. I mean, like, we felt comfortable just telling her our orders. She was funny. She was cool. The service is definitely good. After we placed our orders in, we got some complimentary garlic bread. And you know, I said this look, this tastes real good, Yo, it's just the nice. The freeness are nice, me not tell no lie. Yo, we feel like, say, this is a very nice restaurant. Not because they give us free food, but because which other restaurant in Mandeville gives you complimentary garlic bread? This is my stepdad fooling around with the cat, and it's a lovely environment for kids. The food looked really good. This is their grilled pork chops with mashed potatoes. Then I tell my life, it looked good. The plate is nice. Yo, Mandeville, you get food like this, and the cost never bad, it was like very competitive. And then this is the curry goat with roti. So curry lovers, there you go. Then we have some chicken pasta. This is so yummy. Yo, all the Alfredo lovers out there, this is a place for you to go. And I ordered a quesadilla for the kids. I find out that the quesadilla was actually spicy, so I wouldn't suggest like ordering quesadilla for the kids. It's spicy. You need to order like something more kids friendly. I tried the chicken chop suey, which is like some Chinese vegetables, and it tasted so good. Like, you can taste the quality they put in their food. They do not skimp on the ingredients. They're going to ensure that the food tastes good. You feel the quality. You taste the quality. And I really fell in love with Emanuel's Kitchen, and we celebrated my mom's 26th birthday. Yes, she's 26. Happy birthday, Mom. So this is a nice place. It's comfortable. It's a nice getaway, The food tastes good. The price is competitive. The service is good. and the wait time on the food is reasonable. You don't wait long, and you don't notice that you wait long because you got complimentary garlic bread, which is warm and delicious, and you're drinking your juice. The environment is clean, so this is definitely one of the best restaurants in Mandeville right now. Scoops, Emanuel'S Kitchen. Of course, let us close with a Bible verse, Romans 8 verse 38 to 39. And I am convinced that nothing can ever separate us from God's love. Neither death nor life, neither angels nor demons, neither our fears nor for today, nor our worries about tomorrow. Not even the powers of hell can separate us from God's love. No power in the sky above or in the earth below. Indeed, nothing in all creation will ever be able to separate us from the love of God that is revealed in Jesus Christ our Lord. I just love this Bible verse because in moments of weakness, in moments when I feel like I am undeserving of love, I remember this Bible verse, and it just reminds me that nothing nothing can separate God's love from me. That God is always there saying, Lassie, come on, you know I'm here for you, you know I love your girl, you know, and that keeps me keep trying, keep going on, I'm not giving up. So I'm not going to ever oh my gosh, feel defeated and give up. I might fall down sometime, but I get back up and and I keep on fighting and fighting. So I just wanted to share that Bible verse, Alright. So keep watching. Stay tuned for more exciting content like this. Using me. Hello. and definitely this Emanuel'S Kitchen is one of the best restaurants in Mandeville right now. It's an hidden gem.